All right, last box break of the night, or dual box break, I guess. 2013-14 Panini Contenders Hockey. So loaded. Daniel C. Sabres and Sharks. Darren D. Hurricanes, Kings, Predators, and Canucks. John G. Wild, Islanders, Rangers, Penguins. Kelly I. Devils, Blues, Lightning, and Capitals. Nicholas B. Blackhawks, Blue Jackets, Wings. Oilers, Canadiens, Senators, Maple Leafs, and Jets. The Bowling Hippies in with the Flames and Avalanche. Tim M. Ducks, Stars, Panthers, and Flyers. And Tim V. Bruins and Coyotes. Jeez, could the Cardinals cost the National League more? Freaking Cardinals killing us. If Jules were still here, I'd yell at her again. First Wayno, now Nishek. Giving up runs left and right. What's up, Donnie? Donnie Babe Ruth big time up in it. First auto is a quad for the Panthers. Huberdeau, Caruso, Howden, and Shore. Quad Panthers. Tim M. There you go. Pretty awesome, dude. Phil Kessel. That was a monster. We've got a Justin Schultz rookie ticket. I have one more case of Contenders, actually. You guys want to do a case break? It takes 12 and a half hours to break, just so you know. We'd have to do it at a special time when we wouldn't torture everybody else. One of the longest case breaks in the world. Who's that? Koivu. You're going to be setting up? Oh, what's this? Time again. No, Tyler Seguin. What am I talking about? 9 of 25. Cup Contenders. Gold ink patch auto. That's awesome. Dallas. Tim M. again. Next to the pizza place. Redemption, Tarasenko, rookie ticket signatures for the Blues. For Kelly. Okay. Hold on, Donnie. Larson to $4.99. All right, box 2. That was a good box. Who was a good box? Cronwall to $4.99. Okay, we'll do Inception next. Oh, what is this? There it is. Oh, it's all smudged. Austin Watson for the Predators, 91 of 100. The gold ink is smudged. Sorry, Darren. I don't know if they'll replace that for you. Oh, is that what it is? Yeah. Thankfully, we have the UFC. Donnie, what are you setting up? Anthony Peluso, you're just going to sell some stuff? Sell your massive collection? It's probably a good idea. I'll have to come by. Linden to 499 and a spacer. .600 Connor Murphy. Ryan Ellis, NHL Inc. Nashville Predators again. We got Kevin Henderson. Man, lots of Nashville Predators. And that's it. All right. Sorry, bowling hippie. Why is my TV showing the game in the bottom of the fifth? The game's over, right? Did I miss something? Am I losing my mind? I thought the game was over a long time ago. Is my TV broken? I don't know what happened to my TV. It was like the bottom of the 8th or something, and then all of a sudden it was the 5th. But they're not replaying the game, are they? What the heck is going on? It's weird. Trout. That was weird. All right. Let's do Inception. Yeah, that was crazy. Okay. Inception number 50. There you go, Donnie. Oh, now it works again. Okay, Inception Random coming up now. We've got Nationals, Brewers, Padres, and Angels out. And then Blue Jays and Rays combined with the Marlins. Yeah, I'll just keep doing the select dual box breaks. All right, random coming up right now for Inception 50. Here it goes. Did you get it, Donnie? All right. Inception 50.